Hello, everybody. Welcome in this video in which we are going to work with two indicators that came with the MT4 platform Dooprime, right? So let's do it right now. In this example, we are going to use these indicators with the GBP/JPY Forex pair in 15 minutes time frame, right? But also you can prove in 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame, right? So let's do it right now. At first, we are going to search in this upper left option that is called insert. You just to click indicators, trend indicators, and just to click in the parabolic SIR indicator, right? So you just to click, there will appear some kind of option. In this example, I use the white color because I got a black background and the white from this. I'm going to use the second option. The numbers you will keep just like that, don't modify them, right? So just accept that. So what are the parabolic SIR indicators, right? It's a trend indicator, right? It's a trend signal indicator, right? As you can see, there are some kind of white points above and below the price, right? Above and below the candles, right? So when to use in this example, when to use a buy a buy example. So when you see for the first time a white point that are below the candle, they are showing to you that you should buy, right? Just like this. So you have to open a buy position, and in this example you can put the stop loss right here, but it's too far because maybe that this was a news candle, right? But you can also open a buy position, put the stop loss below the parabolic SIR indicator, and wait to the price to go above your buy position, and you are modify your stop loss when the price go at your favor. You are going to modify your stop loss up, and then your stop loss will appear here, the price will go here, and then the parabolic SIR change the signal to sell signal, right? In this case, you close your position for this example, right? But also we are going to work with that was open buy position. Let's do with a sell position. It's the same but the opposite, right? So what happened in this case, you had to wait when the parabolic SIR just draw for the first time a white point not below as a buy position, just up from upper from your price, right? So you open a sell position here, your stop loss will be here, and you just wait from the price that go at your favor, and you are going to modify your stop loss manually when the parabolic SIR go into your favor, right? Maybe if the price go against you, right? Maybe just happen that the volatility is too high, or maybe something like that. So will you just lose a minimum amount of money, or the price will close with some gains, right? But if this don't happen, you just close the operation when the parabolic SIR put a opposite signal that you start from the past, right? So What you can see also, there are so many buy signals and sell signals that don't work in this case. Maybe you can see that you can see that the price just go up, and you were to wait, and you are going to wait some kind of sell signals just like this, and you sell to open a sell position, and that happened. The price go against you. Again, you just open again a sell position, but what happened? The price again stop you. So we are going to filter this kind of false signals, right, in order to get more kind of effective operation. So we are going to insert another indicator that is not a trend indicator but oscillator, right? This oscillator is the MACD. So you are going to see this box, and you just go to accept. So what is the MACD? MACD is an oscillator, right? And you can see the MACD had a zero line, right? As in the zero line, you can see some upper bars and down bars, right? So what happened when this occurs, right? When the price are going in the upper side, it's supposed that the price are going up, right? And when the bars are below, it's supposed that the price going down, right? So is when the price is showing in the upper side, just in this case, the price, the trend, the majority of the trend are in the upper side, an upper trend. And something like this, you can see more clearly if we can draw some kind of lines just like this. Let me show you. And another line like this, and like this, right? So you can see that the MACD are filtered to us the most probability, the most trend that you can see in your graphic. So if you combine these two indicators, you can have more successful trades, right? So let's do some examples in this case. So the ideal case are when the price are doing some kind of an upward trend that lasts some kind of a day, a long trend in which you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you could see that the trend start to fall, but you don't open a sell position because the parabolic SIR indicates like this, like in this area or in this area, that you can start a sell position. But maybe if you start here, you lose. If you start here, you lose. If you start here, well, you don't lose. But maybe you are tired to try, but you don't know what is happening, where this is going to change really. So you put the first sell position when the MACD are showing you the first bar down in this case. So this will be just right here. You can modify, you can start the first sell position in this case. So in this example, you can start a sell position just right here. You put your stop loss just right here, right? And your sell position should start you in positive, not so much drawdown. And the parabolic SIR give you a buy position, right? It's up to you that you can close just like here, just right here, or to hold the position because the MACD are showing you that they are still in the majority downtrend position. So you can close here, or you just can hold the position, right? And then the parabolic SIR also give you again a sell position just in the close of this candle, and you start to wait, and maybe if you gain some kind of 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, right, you can check a good position, or maybe 1-to risk to reward ratio, right? Maybe 2 times your stop loss, right? And the take profit could be 2 times your stop loss, or maybe 1 to 1.5, right? In order to secure your profits and begin to collect money, right? Also, let's start another example with a buy position, right? So let's do it just like here. So let's do in this example, right? Maybe this was a new scandal. When this happened, when you just had some kind of new scandal, the volatility of the price are just so confused. So don't use this kind of method with a news, with recently news, because maybe you can lose your money because there are so many volatility, right? So you have to wait maybe 4 hours, 2 hours in order to try another position, right? So let's do it just right here in this case. Let's do it just like here, right? Just this was just before a down news candle, right? So the MACD show you that maybe they are going to change the downside to the upper side, right? So you just open a buy position here, but don't work because you put your stop loss here, and don't work. But you can wait again because it was maybe a downtrend, but it's an overselling trend. So you are waiting for maybe some kind of a rebound to the price. So you open again in this change, right? And in this case, you can wait to make some kind of take profit and stop loss. The take profit may be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, in which you can collect all this position that you have the upper trend, right? So let's check it out. Another example, right? Just something like this. In this example, okay, there are so many good examples right here. You have to be very, very disciplined, right? Because the market, if you don't keep the rules clear, you can enter in a very false signals and you can lose your money, right? So in this example, you just start, right, and open a buy position, right? Because the bar are in the upper section from the zero line in the positive section, right? So you open a buy position, you put your stop loss just like here. Maybe this this could reach a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio because the distance from the stop loss was way too big, right? So with a 1-to-1, in this case, with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, is just okay, right? So let's search a sell position, just like here. So the zero line, the bar that dropped below the zero line was this. So let's search what was that candle. So was just in this candle, right? So you start a sell position just like here, and when the stop loss is just so small, you can put easily 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, or maybe 1 to risk to reward ratio, right? The drawing are okay, it's like that. So you can collect here a very good money, right? So yeah, there are these two indicators in which you can combine them and collect money, right? Also remember that don't use this when just recently the economic calendar just released some kind of big news, because the volatility are too high, right? And also operate in the London session or New York session that the price had a very good move, right? So this is all. Just keep it up and keep the rules in order to have a very good operation. So bye bye.